Talking about YouTube, but not just watching it. We're talking about making serious money on the platform. That's right, we're going to dive deep into how to turn your channel into a cash cow, even if you're starting from scratch. We're talking step-by-step strategies, insider tips, and everything you need to know to go from zero to YouTube hero. You think I'm kidding? I'm talking about building an empire, racking up those views, and watching the dollar signs roll in. Stick with me, and I'll break it all down for you. You won't want to miss this. Do you want to know the secrets of making money on YouTube? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to turn your YouTube channel into a steady income source, even if you are a beginner. Alright, let's kick things off with the first thing you need to figure out, your niche. This is your channel's home base, the thing you're going to be known for. Now, when I say niche, I don't mean just picking something you kinda sorta like. I'm talking about finding that sweet spot where your passions collide with what people actually want to watch. Think about it, what gets you fired up? Is it gaming, cooking, travel? Whatever it is, make sure there's an audience for it. But hold on, there's more to it than just picking something popular. You gotta find an angle, a unique spin that sets you apart from the millions of other channels out there. What's your secret sauce? What can you offer that nobody else can? Maybe you're the queen of quick and easy recipes, or the king of budget travel hacks. Find your thing. Own it, and make it your own. And here's a pro tip. Don't be afraid to get specific. The more focused your niche, the easier it will be to target the right audience. Trust me, it's better to be a big fish in a small pond than a tiny guppy lost in the ocean. So do your research, see what's out there, and find that perfect niche that's just waiting for you to conquer it. Okay, you've got your niche locked in, now it's time to build your YouTube empire. And every good empire needs a strong foundation, right? That means setting up your channel the right way, from the ground up. First impressions matter, people. Let's start with the basics. Your channel name. This is your brand, your identity on YouTube, so make it count. Choose something catchy, memorable, and relevant to your niche. And don't forget to check if the name is available on all social media platforms. Next up, you'll need a killer logo and banner image. Think of this as your channel's storefront. It's got to be eye-catching, professional, and represent your brand. Don't worry if you're not a design whiz, there are tons of tools out there like Canva that can help you create something awesome. And last but not least, don't underestimate the power of a well-written channel description. This is your chance to tell viewers who you are, what you do, and why they should subscribe. Keep it concise, engaging, and make sure to sprinkle in some relevant keywords so people can find you in the search results. Remember, a well-crafted channel description can be the difference between someone clicking that subscribe button or moving on to the next video. Alright, we're getting to the good stuff now, creating epic content. This is where the magic happens, people. But let me tell you, it's not just about hitting record and hoping for the best. Creating high-quality videos that keep viewers hooked takes effort, planning, and maybe a few takes, or 10. First things first, you need decent equipment. I'm not saying you need to go out and buy a top-of-the-line camera and microphone right away, but you do need something that produces clear video and audio. A good smartphone camera can actually work wonders these days, especially if you're just starting out. Lighting is another crucial element. Trust me, good lighting can make even the simplest video look 10 times better. Natural light is your best friend, so try filming near a window if you can. And if you're filming at night, invest in some affordable lighting equipment to brighten things up. Now let's talk about sound. Nobody wants to listen to a video with muffled audio or distracting background noise. Find a quiet place to film and consider using an external microphone to improve the sound quality. Remember, clear, crisp audio can make all the difference in keeping viewers engaged. And here's a golden rule. Keep it concise. Attention spans are short these days, so get to the point quickly and keep your videos snappy and engaging. Start with shorter videos, especially when you're just starting out. You can always experiment with longer content as your channel grows. Chapter 4. Cracking the YouTube code. Optimizing for search or SEO. Okay, you've poured your heart and soul into creating awesome videos, but what good are they if nobody can find them, right? That's where SEO comes in, search engine optimization. It's like giving your videos a superpower that helps them climb the YouTube ranks and get seen by more people. First up, let's talk titles. Your video title is the first thing potential viewers see, so make it count. Use keywords that people are actually searching for, and make sure your title is clear, concise, and attention-grabbing. Think of it as a headline that needs to hook viewers in. Next, we've got the video description. This is your chance to provide more context about your video and tell YouTube what it's all about. Use relevant keywords throughout your description, but don't stuff it with too many. Keep it natural and engaging for both viewers and the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget about tags. Tags are like little signposts that help YouTube categorize your video and understand what it's about. Use a mix of broad and specific tags that are relevant to your content. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, so keep experimenting, tracking your results, and refining your strategy as you go. The more you optimize your videos, the better your chances of ranking higher and attracting a wider audience. Chapter 5. Building your tribe, growing your audience, and keeping them hooked. Alright, let's talk about building your YouTube tribe, your loyal band of followers who can't get enough of your content. The bigger and more engaged your audience, the more successful your channel will be. But how do you actually grow an audience from scratch? Well, it takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. Consistency is key, my friends. You can't just upload a video once in a blue moon and expect people to stick around. Establish a regular upload schedule, whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even more often if you can handle it. The more consistent you are, the more likely people are to subscribe and keep coming back for more. Engagement is another crucial element. Don't just upload your video and disappear into the abyss. Respond to comments, answer questions, and show your viewers that you're actually paying attention. Building a community around your channel is essential for long-term success. And don't be afraid to promote your videos. Share them on your other social media platforms, embed them on your website, and spread the word far and wide. The more people you can reach, the better your chances of growing your audience. Chapter 6. Cashing in, enabling monetization, and watching the dollars roll in. Alright, we've arrived at the moment you've all been waiting for, making money. That's right, YouTube isn't just about creating awesome content, it's also a legitimate way to earn some serious cash. But before you start counting your millions, there are a few things you need to do. First things first, you need to hit those magic numbers. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Think of it as YouTube's way of making sure you're serious about this whole creator thing. Once you've hit those milestones, it's time to enable monetization. This means you're giving YouTube permission to show ads on your videos. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. These ads are how you're going to start seeing those dollar signs. Now, the amount of money you make depends on a variety of factors like your niche, your audience, and the types of ads that are shown on your videos. But don't get discouraged if you don't start raking in the dough right away. It takes time to build a profitable channel. Chapter 7. Leveling up your earnings, exploring additional income streams. Alright, you've unlocked the power of monetization, but did you know there are even more ways to make money on YouTube? That's right, we're talking about diversifying your income streams and maximizing your earning potential. One popular option is brand collaborations and sponsored content. As your channel grows, you might start getting approached by brands who want to partner with you. They'll pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. Just make sure the brands you work with are a good fit for your channel and your audience. Another option is selling your own products or services. Are you an expert in something? Create an online course, an ebook, or even physical merchandise related to your niche. Your YouTube channel can be a powerful platform to promote and sell your own stuff. And don't forget about affiliate marketing. This is where you partner with other companies and promote their products or services in your videos. You'll earn a commission for every sale that's made through your unique affiliate link. It's a great way to monetize your content without having to create your own products. So there you have it, guys. Everything you need to know to start your YouTube journey and turn your passion into profit. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. But trust me, it's totally worth it. The feeling of building a community, creating something you're proud of, and watching those dollar signs roll in is unlike anything else. Now I want to hear from you. What are your biggest takeaways from this video? What are your goals for your YouTube channel? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. Making money on YouTube requires patience and effort, but success is achievable for everyone. Start now and share your experience in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.